Welcome back. Now, when you want to have a group and you want to have online discussions, but you don't want to have that discussion on social media, those discussions still take place in online forums, and Fantastico does give you access to software that you can install on your server. So we're going to go inside of the forums link, and you're going to notice a number of forums available. You may have heard of PHBB and Simple Machines Forum, as both are very popular. We are going to install PHBB. And you'll notice with PHBB, there is a fairly recent addition. There is a home, community, documentation, and support. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down and click the install button. We're going to place our form in a directory. And then we're going to write in all of our other pertinent information. And once you have all of your information, you'll then click Submit. Once you verify your information, you'll then click Proceed. Fantastico will then install the script, and then the back end of your form will be installed. So you'll need to go to the address and log in. And then once you are logged in, you are then ready to begin using your form. Now, it's beyond the scope of this course to demonstrate how to configure the form. However, there is plenty of information on the software landing page as well as within the community and documentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.